General Insurance Corporation of India, or in short it is known as GICI. The General Insurance Corporation of India Limited is an Indian government owned reinsurance company. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. The general insurance business was completely owned by the government and it was controlled by a single organization with 4 subsidiaries. Earlier, there were a number of Indian and many foreign companies which did general insurance business in India and abroad. So, on the eve of nationalization, 68 Indian insurers and 45 non-Indian insurers did business in the field of general insurance. But in November 1972, the business of these organizations were nationalized and vested in the hands of the General Insurance Corporation and its 4 subsidiaries: New India Assurance Corporation Limited, Oriental and General Insurance Corporation Limited, and United Indian Assurance Corporation Limited. So, the GICI was made with the motive of merging all the Indian and non-Indian insurers who did business in the field of general insurance, and it was established in November 1972. It was registered under the Companies Act 1956. The GICI has its registered office and headquarters in Mumbai. It was the sole reinsurance company in the Indian insurance market until the insurance market was opened to foreign insurance players by late 2016, including companies from Germany, Switzerland, and France. The GICI is given charge of the overall control, supervision, and policy making for smooth operation of general insurance business. At present, the direct general insurance business is done mostly by the subsidiaries of GIC. The GICI provides loans and investments in capital market of the country, and they basically invests in shares, debentures, underwriters, and invests in new issues of the corporate sector, and also provides loans and advances to various companies. GICI's shares are listed on Bombay Stock Exchange Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited.